Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about Sundarakandam. Sundarakandam had 7 kandas. Today I am going to tell about the first kanda, Balakanda. Dasharatha, the king of Kosala, with Ayodhya as its capital, had all the pleasures of life but was deprived of the happiness of having a child from any of his 3 queens, Kausalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. Consulted and advised by his Kula Guru, sage Vasishtha, and other wise ministers, he then performed the Putra Kameshti Yaga, a fire sacrifice, and as a result received a bowl of sweet porridge from the hands of the Yagapurusha, who advised him to give the porridge to his 3 wives and assured him that they would soon conceive and become mothers of his children. It was during this time that the evil Ravana had become a terror to all the 3 worlds. Lord Mahavishnu, with an objective to annihilate Ravana, incarnated as Rama, the first son born to Dasharatha, through Kausalya. Similarly, Lakshmana and Shatrugna were born to Sumitra, and Bharata was born to Kaikeyi. The children grew up under the loving care of their parents and were guided and taught by proficient teachers, including the Kula Guru Vasishtha, in the art of warfare and administration. One day, sage Vishwamitra visited the court of Dasharatha and sought audience with him. Vishwamitra then declared that the purpose of his visit. He said he was performing a fire sacrifice yaga which was continuously disturbed by demons, and to safeguard the yaga from these demons, he requested Dasharatha to send Rama along with him. He assured that he would take proper care of Rama. Dasharatha, who loved Rama more than his own life, was initially reluctant to accede to Vishwamitra's request and hence hesitated, but later, at the suggestion of Vasishtha, he sent Rama and Lakshmana with Vishwamitra. On the way, Rama performed a number of miracles, including the redemption of Ahalya, the wife of Gautama Rishi, from a curse. Rama killed the demoness Tataka and the other demons who caused hindrance to the yaga. After the successful completion of the yaga, Rama and Lakshmana, along with sage Vishwamitra, visited the kingdom of Maithila, ruled by King Janaka. King Janaka was holding the Swayamvara of his adopted daughter Sita. Swayamvara is a function where a princess is allowed to choose her husband. Many kings and princes had thronged the place of Janaka to wed Sita, but there was a task to be performed in order to win the hands of Sita. A huge bow which was given to Janaka by Lord Shiva was to be struck. But the divine bow was so heavy that none of them, including the mighty Ravana, who too had attended the Swayamvara, could succeed in even lifting the bow. But Rama, with comfortable ease, not only struck the bow but also broke it. Marriage of Rama with Sita was solemnized with great pomp and celebration. Also, Sita's sisters were married to Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. Later, all of them returned to Ayodhya. Thank you.